Versatile, lightweight, effortless. Introducing the PRAMAC line of pallet trucks and stackers. Made in Italy, precision manufacturing, top quality and craftsmanship. This exclusive lineup is offered only through Vestal Manufacturing and features hand pallet trucks, high lift trucks, electric pallet trucks, and electric stackers. Hand pallet trucks. 3 hand pallet truck models are available and offer a combination of a light frame and rollers with self-lubricating ball bearings for easy maneuverability in tight places. The handle is ergonomically designed for operator comfort, reducing lifting and rolling effort. The supplemental rollers allow an easier entrance and quicker exit for closed pallets. The PRAMAC pallet truck has a sophisticated design and superior construction due to the robotic welded frames for consistent strength. Versatile, lightweight, effortless. The PRAMAC line of pallet trucks and stackers, only from Vestal Manufacturing.